Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a monthly calendar on Google Sheets. So go to template gallery here and scroll down until you find the annual calendar one, and you're just going to select that. Is there any more that we can select that one, and don't worry, you can change the colors of it. So for instance, on February here, you can select it and select the color that you want. I'm just going to add in like this one. Okay, maybe, can I do it for all? Okay, I'm just going to press Control A on my keyboard, and whoops, I want to add like a bright pink color. I don't like that one, so I'm just going to press OK, press Control A, and then I'm just going to select that one for the whole calendar to be pink. So for instance, my birthday is on the 7th. I'm just going to highlight that by pressing like this darker pink, OK, and then here I can actually type my birthday. And yeah, that is pretty much it, really. Super simple. You can change the font here, I think, if you'd like to. So here, maybe I want to make it like cuter, I can. But yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!